The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that provides great-tasting treats with up to 75% less fat. Traditional deep fryers immerse your foods in oil for extended periods, resulting in oversaturated foods that can be hard to digest. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to prepare a variety of meals that are both delicious and healthier than traditional frying. Cook fresh veggies with 30% less oil and 60% faster when compared to oven roasting. And air fry your favorite snacks with 75% less oil than pan frying and 90% less oil than traditional deep frying. Preparing crispy buffalo-style chicken wings, hot and salty French fries, or savory pork chops has never been easier. Make any one of the exclusive recipes included in the recipe booklet or create your own delicious dish with less fat. When your recipe calls for a different cooking method, this toaster oven has got you covered. Finish sweet baked goods like cakes and custards as you would in any traditional oven, and crisp frozen pizzas to perfection with maximum efficiency. The convection baking function uses a fan to circulate heated air around food as it cooks and is perfect for baked goods that require even browning, like scones, cookies, pastry, and bread. Prepare meats or top brown casseroles and gratins using the broil or convection broil function. And easily toast your breads, bagels, and hot sandwiches to the shade you prefer using the toast function for a quick and easy meal or snack. When you're finished cooking, cleanup is a breeze as the entire interior surface of the oven is coated in durable non-stick material. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting, all brought to your countertop with the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Convection Toaster Oven. Say hello to easy access and goodbye to hard-to-reach toast. The HB convection ovens are designed with a curved glass door and handle to let you see your toast. When it's ready, up to 6 pieces of toast are easily accessible through this large door opening and the auto advance rack that brings the toast to you. Toasted bread has never been easier to reach. Besides toasting, this oven can bake a 12-inch pizza and broil hamburgers. And unlike many other ovens, this Hamilton Beach toaster oven lets you choose between bake or convection. Use convection for perfectly crisp golden brown pizza and for caramelized crust on baked goods. The bake function is great for cakes and desserts. The convection oven is easy to use with its intuitive controls. Use the temperature dial to choose a temperature ranging from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A separate function selector lets you choose between 4 settings, while the timer lets you choose between stay on or a 30-minute timer that shuts off automatically. Even cleanup has been made easy by the front removable crumb tray that slides out without the crumbs sliding back in the toaster oven. This oven provides for easy access to food, fast and even toasting, and easy cleanup. Now that's good thinking.
The Breville Smart Oven Air with Super Convection is a real superhero. The power of Super Convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13-inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays, and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface and suggested positioning on the oven door, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Let's roast a 14-pound turkey. First, select the roast function, then temperature, and lastly, set the time. I've placed the turkey in a roasting pan in the correct rack position. Allow it to rest and you will have the perfect roast. Super succulent turkey. For those of you who love healthier, guilt-free cooking, you can now air fry. High heat and super convection maximizes airflow for fast and crispy food. Select the air fry setting, pop the fries in the air fry basket and place in the smart oven. crunchy, moreish, healthier air-fried French fries and other family favourites are only minutes away. Super convection also makes dehydrating super simple. Temperatures can be set as low as 83 degrees for precise, low and stable heat. Select dehydrate, confirm temperature and time, and press start. Place your preferred slices of fruit or vegetables in the dehydrate basket. I simply start dehydrating after the kids go to bed, and the next morning I've got lovely, healthy snacks. The low temperature control paired with super convection creates ideal conditions for proofing bread, rolls, pizza and more. Select the proof setting, confirm the temperature and time, and press start. The proof is in the dough. Using the dedicated slow cooker function, it makes tender and flavourful stews and casseroles. I press start in the morning, and when I come home from work, I have dinner done. Super flavour, super slow. The Breville Smart Oven Air does so many things better. It toasts more evenly. It bakes moist and delicious cakes, muffins and mouth-watering pies and cookies. With the pizza setting, you could have fresh homemade pizza in the same amount of time it would take to order it in. It can reheat leftovers, keep a meal warm without drying it out, and phase cook allows you to set programs back to back. Bake your lasagna and broil the topping automatically. For more ideas, tips and inspiration, why not explore our online recipe collection? It'll help you achieve super results. With super convection and more function, it quite simply is my super-powered countertop hero.
The Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven has up to 8 functions, depending on the model you own. The air fry function delivers a crispy, golden texture using little to no oil. Use the air roast function to tenderize meat, roast vegetables, and more. Air broil offers ideal melting and browning to add a crucial finishing touch to your meals. With bake, you can create your favorite pies, cakes, and cookies, or a perfect pizza. The toast function makes up to 9 slices of toast, as dark or as light as you like. With the bagel function, toast up to 6 bagel halves, just the way you like them. The dehydrate function gently removes moisture from ingredients to create snacks like chips and jerky. Keep warm maintains your meals at the right temperature. To begin using your Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven, simply press the power button and turn the dial to select a cooking function. Press the time button and turn the dial to set the cooking time. To adjust the temperature, press the temp button and turn the dial to your desired temperature. The unit will display the cook time in minutes and seconds, or hours and minutes, depending on the function selected. Press Start, Pause to begin cooking. When using the toast and bagel functions, press the Time Slice button to use the dial to select the number of slices. Then press the Temp Darkness button and use the dial to adjust the level of darkness. When using the air or bake functions, the unit will preheat and pre will blink on the display. Your Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven preheats quickly, so we recommend prepping your food before starting the oven. Once the unit has finished preheating, it will beep and the timer will automatically start counting down from your selected cook time. If you need to change the cook time at any point, you can easily change it by turning the dial. The light button allows you to easily check on your food while it's cooking. After you are done cooking, turn off the oven by pressing the power button. The hot indicator will remain on while the oven is cooling off. When the oven has cooled off and is ready to be flipped up for storage, the hot indicator will turn off and flip will appear on the screen. To get your counter space back and store your Ninja Foodi digital air fry oven, simply grasp the unit by the side handles and flip it up. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.
Ready for dinner? The hardest part is choosing what to eat. With full control from anywhere, cooking will never be a chore again. Quickly cook up any meal, no matter how hungry you are. Go ahead, try something new. The oven comes with everything you need, so you can focus on enjoying the results.
Hi, I'm Philip, and Ninja reached out to me to help introduce you to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. This powerful countertop oven can deliver family-sized meals, fast, without compromising performance. With Ninja's exclusive True Surround Convection, you can cook evenly on 2 levels so that there's no rotating or swapping of pans required. Unlike other countertop ovens, this oven not only has heating elements on the top and bottom, but there's a third zone of heat, hidden around the fan, which helps make the cooking truly surround. It also has up to 10 times the convection power compared to a traditional full-size convection oven. And for you, that means faster, crispier, and more even cooking on 2 levels. I love entertaining, and the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven makes cooking so easy for me. I can make appetizers, fit a large protein and vegetables in separate racks for dinner, and make a 2-layer cake, all in the same appliance. And everything comes out cooked evenly. No rotating or swapping of pans, no flipping the food required. I can enjoy hanging out with my friends and guests and don't have to worry about messing with the food while I'm cooking. And check out its versatility. This 10-in-1 oven has me covered no matter what's on the menu. Whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, and reheat. Once I choose my function, the digital rack guide shows me the optimal placement for the food. When entertaining, I can choose maximum capacity. Cooking for just me, I can just leave it at 1 level. Pressing the 2-level button changes the digital rack guide to show me the best placement for cooking on both levels. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook up some chicken wings. This particular recipe is for the cilantro lime wings, and you can find the marinade recipe in the inspiration guide that comes with your oven. To start, divide the wings between the air fry basket and the Ninja roasting tray, nested inside the Ninja sheet pan. Make sure that the wings are not crowding each other. We're using both for a few reasons. The air fry basket allows hot air to reach all sides of the food. However, when you cook foods with oil or marinades, like these chicken wings, you'll want to ensure that you have something to catch any oil or juices. This helps avoid anything dripping onto the heating elements, which can sometimes cause smoke. This combination of accessories helps the air circulate around the food. Plus, because we're catching the juice and grease, it makes cleanup much easier. If you only want to make 1 batch of wings, it's best to use the roast tray and sheet pan, since that would catch all of the drippings. Next, remove the top wire rack, as this is where the air fry basket will eventually slide in, and leave the other wire rack in the unit to hold the pan with the roasting tray. The rack guide indicates that for this function, rails on level 2 and 4 will be used. Then, set the temperature to 390 degrees and set the timer for 40 minutes. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven has a 90-second preheat. So rather than waiting 10 to 15 minutes for a typical oven to preheat, you can start cooking in just seconds. Once the unit has finished preheating, the indicator will turn off and the unit will beep. The clock then will immediately start counting down. Place the pan and roast tray on the rack that is on level 2, and then slide in the air fry basket onto rails of level 4. If you miss the super fast preheat, you can easily adjust the time by hitting the plus time button. As a reminder, the magic of this unit is behind its convection power. That means this thing cooks your food fast, and it will likely require you getting used to its speed. I recommend when you're first getting started to check on your food often. You can do so by clicking this light. Once your wings are complete, you'll hear a beep when the timer goes off. Carefully remove the air fry basket and the tray using oven mitts. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven, I have plenty of crispy wings to share with my friends. Check out ninjakitchen.com or the Ninja Foodi Family Facebook community for delicious recipe ideas and more.